Keeping track of all your communication with your mortgage partners is an integral part of the BNTouch CRM. Each partner record in your CRM stores relevant data for that partner, allowing you to communicate with them, send campaigns to mortgage participants, upload and request important documents, and more. Every action you take for that partner is logged in the tracker, an easy-to-read, color-coded list of every update to their record. This allows you to see any messages sent between you and the partner, what actions other users in your business have taken, and other changes made to the partner's file. In the Partnerships tab of your CRM, you can open a partner's record by clicking their blue Name link. In addition to the various sub-tabs available in the record, a Tracker column will appear to the right. This column will display while you are viewing any sub-tab of that partner's record, and the events listed on it are specific to them. Depending on what viewing options you have enabled, you may see another column to the right side of your screen. This sidebar is not part of the event tracker, but it can display multiple helpful features. First, it can show a recent activity log of various actions you have taken in your CRM. You can even filter this list to show or hide different types of events. If you click the speech bubble icon, you can see a list of all CRM, portal, and SMS messages you have sent and received. You can search for text in these messages, click individual threads to open that conversation, or mark messages as read or unread using this chat log. Alternatively, this sidebar can show a chat message log. Checking the robot icon will let you chat with MAIA, your mortgage AI assistant. She's happy to help answer mortgage and CRM questions, perform tasks for you, and help you find information. You can always hide this sidebar by clicking the X icon in the upper right corner. This tracker displays a list of all communications and events that have taken place between the partner and your office, including tasks, marketing campaigns, emails, and more. Most events are automatically logged into the tracker when they happen in your CRM. For example, when a campaign triggers for a partner, a tracker event will appear in their record with the campaign type, the title of the campaign, and the date and time it was sent. The same will occur when an agent messages you from a partner portal, when you send an SMS text message to a Realtor, or when one of your staff members changes the status of a document in a partner's file. The Events menu above the tracker contains all of the various events that are logged by the tracker. When you open the menu, you can see the event types, the number of events of each type that have been logged for this record, and the date and time of the last event of that type. You can also check the Quick Add box to the left to keep that event type at the top of the tracker. When you click Apply, the box will show how many of each of the selected event types are logged in the record. Most of the event types in your CRM are available by default, but they can also be customized for your account by your administrator. If you are the administrative user for your account, you can add new event types, change the color used for each event type, and more in the Options tab. To learn more about customizing your tracker, please watch the Tracker Options video in the Options tab series. In addition to automatically logged events, new tracker events can be added directly to the partner record using the Add Event button. The type of event can be chosen from the drop-down menu, and a description can be entered. You can also upload a file from your computer to the partner's record using the Attach Document or Image button. If you attached a file to the tracker event you added, you'll be able to see a preview of it in the new event. You can click the thumbnail of an image to view the entire image. The file will also be added to the partner's Documents tab, just like any other uploaded file. Various communications can be easily generated for a partner using the Contact drop-down menu. This includes printing a mailing label, letter, flyer, or postcard, inviting the partner to access their partner portal, sending an SMS text message, or recording a video message. Some of these options are only available if the corresponding modules are enabled for your account. If you do not have access to these options, please contact your administrator. The Quick Add menu can be used to manage and create brief tracker events that can be added to records with a single click. These events can be added and configured by opening the menu and clicking Manage Quick Add. Here, any simple template events that have been created for your account will be listed. You can create new ones by selecting a text event type from the menu above, entering the text you want to appear for that event, and clicking the Add button. You can limit the event types that display on a partner's tracker using the Filter button at the top. Any event types that are checked on this list will appear, and any that are not will be hidden. Hidden event types will still be logged and tracked, but they will not be visible on the tracker unless the event type is later checked. You can also change the number of recent events that appear on the tracker by clicking the I button to the right. Each tracker event will have the name of the creator of the event listed first, along with that person's picture if one is available. The event type will appear in the upper right, and the time and date of the event will appear in the opposite corner. Events related to text messages, email reminders, and other text-based communications will be listed in the event body. For events with files or external materials, a link will appear in the tracker so you can access that document. The ellipsis icon in the lower right corner of a tracker event will allow you to share that event with clients or partners, notify them via portal sites, or send a push notification to them in the Mortgage Circle's mobile app. These sharing options will be saved when you click the Apply Sharing options below. In a partner's record, tracker events you see are all connected to that specific partner. You can also view a summary of tracker events for several partners at once directly from the Partnerships tab. To do so, just check the boxes of the partners you want to include, then click the Tracker Report button above the record list. A new report will be generated that will include all tracker events for each of the selected partners. You can use the tabs above the report to view events logged in the current or last week or month, but the default report will show total events in the No Timeline tab. For this report, each partner will have a row, and the record owner will be listed to the right of the partner's name. To the right, all events for that partner will appear as color-coded boxes according to the default colors for that event type. You can hover your mouse over these boxes to view the event type, the date and time of the tracker event, and the included text for text-based events. For a more detailed report for all tracker activity in your account, open the Reports tab and click the Extended Tracker Report link. This report will show all tracker events that have been entered for all clients and partners in your account by any user, starting with the most recent and organized into timeframe sections. Rows are color-coded according to event type, and the user that generated the event will be listed to the left. The record link can be used to access that borrower's or partner's record, and additional details for the record will appear to the right. You can filter this list using the menus above, allowing you to narrow events to specific types, created by specific users, or made during a specific time period. You can also search for words in text-based events using the search box to the right. Administrative users can also view a per-user tracker event report in the Reports tab by clicking the Tracker Summary Report. This report lets you select the time period, relevant event types, and particular users. When you click Search, a spreadsheet report will appear below with the number of each type of tracker event that was logged for each day in the selected time period. Below that, a graph will show how many events of each type were logged on each day. You can change the graph type using the hamburger icon in the upper right. Similarly, the User Summary sub-tab of this report will display the same spreadsheet and graph report, but the rows will instead represent the users in your office. For each day, you can then see how many tracker events that user has made. To help you stay on top of your business, you can also see what recent events have been added to partner event trackers from the Dashboard tab of your CRM. In the Quick View sub-tab of the dashboard, you can see a brief summary of recent tracker activity for your partner records. Just choose Partnerships from the first drop-down menu, then any records matching your set criteria will appear below. For each row representing a mortgage partner, you can see when the last tracker event was posted to their record, as well as the most recently added 5 events in the tracker. Just like the tracker report in the Partnerships tab, you can hover over the color-coded event boxes to see details about each event. To the right, you can also add new tracker events directly to a partner's record from the Dashboard tab. Just past the Actions menu icon, click the Add Tracker link to create a new event. This functions just like manually adding a text-based event in the Partnerships tab, and you can still set sharing and notification settings along with your new message.